Sing one song for me with mommy. One little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down. Put it on your head, head. Put it on your head, head. Something wrong. How are you today? After Khmer New Year. Where is your ear? Here in my ear. Stephen, can you show mommy? Where is your ear? Where is your ear? Where is your ear? Where is your eye? Here is my eye. Okay. Woo! Again. Stephen again. Woo! Okay, Stephen, look at mommy. Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Oh, Stephen don't want to play with mommy. Stephen, do you remember last week mommy taught you about what letter? It is letter what? Letter N, right? N. We already learned N have nest, okay? N has net, okay? N has nose, cute girl nose. N have nose. This is your nose. This is my nose, okay? We already studied letter N. After letter N, we will study letter letter O. Stephen, can you say it? Letter O. O. Stephen, do you know O look like? O look like number 0, right? O. Can you say it? O. 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 O for what? The sound in letter O make O. O sound make O. Okay? R is octopus. Do you know octopus has many legs? Okay? O for octopus. Stephen, can you say it? O for octopus. Okay? O for octopus. O for octopus. Good job. One more E. Orange. Can you say it? O for orange. You like it orange, right? You like to eat orange, right? O for octopus. O for orange. Okay? Shh. One more is onion. O for onion. O for onion. Okay? O for onion. One more is ostrich. That is animal. Ostrich. Ostrich. Okay? Animal. It is animal. O for ostrich. O for octopus. O for onion. O for orange. Oh, Stephen, can you say it? Oh. 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 No. That is dangerous. Can you read again? Read again. Read again with mommy. O for octopus. O for onion. O for orange. O for ostrich. Okay? This is octopus. This is orange. Octopus, orange, 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 octopus, orange. Which one is octopus? Clap your hand again. Good job. Ready? Octopus. Well done. Which one is orange? Octopus, you already choose. One more. Orange. Fruit. Good job. Clap your hand. Well done, Stephen. You know how to clap your hand. That is octopus. This is orange. Okay, Stephen. Orange. Where's my glue tack, baby? Where's my glue tack, baby? Where's my glue tack, baby? This is orange, okay? O for orange. O for octopus. This is onion. Ostrich. Stephen. Onion, ostrich. Which one is ostrich? The animal. Well done, boy! That is ostrich. Yeah! Good job, ostrich! Yeah! Ostrich, good job. This is ostrich. This is onion, okay? Onion, good job. Onion, well done, baby. Well done, baby. This is onion. Good job. Stephen, can you say with mommy again? O for onion. O for orange. O for ostrich. O for octopus. Hey, mommy and daddy. Welcome back to Smart Boy channel again. After Happy Khmer New Year, we have long holiday. Yes, today I continue my lesson today, English class. Don't forget, for new in my channel, subscribe, like, and share. If you have any comment, you can comment below. Yes, thank you so much for your watching all my video.